Welcome to this stunning custom single-story home by Evergreen Communities, nestled in the heart of Fair Oaks. Experience luxury living in a serene, picturesque setting. Well, hello. Come on in. Step inside and you'll find an open concept floor plan that exudes modern sophistication while maintaining a warm and inviting ambiance. Set on a sprawling lot adorned with majestic oak trees, this masterpiece seamlessly blends with its natural surroundings. Step inside and you'll find an open concept floor plan adorned with state-of-the-art appliances, expansive countertops. A chef's kitchen is a culinary enthusiast's dream. Entertain guests effortlessly as the aromas of your culinary creations fill the air, creating an inviting and social atmosphere. Every detail of this home has been meticulously crafted in a timeless craftsman style, offering a perfect blend of function and aesthetics. The seamless flow from room to room creates a sense of harmony, making it an ideal space for both entertaining and daily living. On one side of the home, discover your private sanctuary, the primary suite, a haven of tranquility. It offers a peaceful retreat with luxurious amenities, ensuring a restful escape from the world. Experience the epitome of luxury living in this custom single story. The epitome of luxury, style, and tranquility in the heart of Fair Oaks. Situated on a peaceful street in a close-knit community, this home is steps away from Fair Oaks Village. The small town vibe and charming established neighborhoods shaded by leafy oak trees create a sense of community that is truly unique.